move on to the Switchbot now. You've obviously, some of you in the group have seen this, and some of you probably haven't. So this piece here, this teal coloured piece of acrylic, I just designed this on using Silhouette to fit the Switchbot, because the Switchbot itself, which, I'm sorry if you don't know, the Switchbot is like a robotic little arm. There's a little arm that pops out there to press the button. But if you're lazy like me, I don't actually sit too far away. I could actually just stand up and reach over and press mine, but it was down the other end of the room. If you're sitting comfortable or you're really busy, it could be a pain sometimes to get up, leave your desk, walk over, press the button, and then go back and carry on. I see why they've done it to a certain degree, but it's a bit of a pain, so having this has been really made a difference. And this thing here, I designed a Silhouette. I decided to give it away to my Facebook group, Glowforge UK, as a free file for anyone who decides to get Switchbot. It's just something a bit fun, but it raises it up to the right level, because originally it's sitting too low down. It wasn't quite catching the button properly. So it just raises it up to the perfect level, so it works properly, it fits nicely. You can put a little logo there. I've called mine Glowbot. And I like the colour, the teal colour, because it kind of matches the theme as well. So, and I also use that colour in my own logo and work as well. So yeah, it's just a simple little button mount for the Switchbot, and gives it the perfect height to work properly. It comes supplied with strong 3M pads to mount it on, so you don't have to worry about gluing it down or using blue tack or buying tape. It comes with the stuff to use. So I use that in place, and I just use double-sided tape on the base of this 3M double-sided tape on the base of this just to hold it down, so I can remove it without damaging the glass of the Glowforge.